Your average guy, is that's reasonably capable, might do fences, decks, they could do, obviously painting or things of that nature. But you get to a roof, that's where trouble can come, where people are thinking they know things, and if they don't, it gets worse. In the case of one of the people that we recently went to, they have a roof that was done by the son-in-law and his buddies from the fire department, kind of a DIY thing. And it seemed fine because they re-roofed it. But 14, 15 years later, they've got multiple leaks all over the place. Why? Because it leaked between the layers, because they didn't rework the flashings properly. And now they're stuck with some really costly repairs because they can't afford to do the roof now. And the roof's going to wear out within, I would say 5 years or so, which is probably 5-10 years earlier than it should. Another thing that people consider doing, they see a shingle or two missing on the roof, and they're figuring, I could probably handle that. The roof's not too steep and so on. And if they can handle it, great. But it is a risk. Anybody can slip, the ladder can go out and whatever. And so, yeah, you have to ask yourself, with all the stories you hear about like that, is it worth it? Is it worth the risk? And if you ask your wife, she'll probably say no. But there's an alternative. Williams C. Rott has a roof tune-up that replaces 1 or 2 shingles at a ridiculously low cost that will, take care of sealing up the rest of the roof. So if that's your situation, definitely give us a call. We can help you out.